Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news. If you are new into this channel, hey good people, today I'm bringing you the latest news of Bheki Cele. Police Minister Bheki Cele has accused EFF leader Julius Malema of plotting to remove him from his position. Bheki told the sitting of parliament during the debate on the State of the Nation address that Malema had allegedly met with the National Police Commissioner Bheki Cele on December 10, where they hashed a plan to take him out. Malema told Cele to repeat the allegation outside, where he did not enjoy parliamentary privilege. Cele said he would repeat his statement on Friday when he released the crime statistics. Julius, during his speech, slammed Cele for the tensions between him and Sithole. Malema called for President Cyril Ramaphosa to fire Bheki Cele. He said Cele should not have been appointed minister because he had served as police commissioner a few years earlier, and this had created tensions between him and Sithole. But Bheki hit back and accused Malema of plotting with the National Commissioner to oust him at the December 10 meeting at the SAPS College in Pretoria. He said that why Malema wanted him to be removed from the cabinet. Bheki said, "I am not surprised that he comes here. He changes the cabinet that he does not have. The Honorable Malema will have to wait. Win elections, have a cabinet and appoint a cabinet, and don't appoint a cabinet of other presidents. You have to wait. Maybe the time will come. I won't go back to the 10th of December where there was a meeting between yourself and the National Commissioner, and the plan and the plot was hatched that I must be chased. I'm not surprised that today this is happening, but as a leader of the opposition, he has a right to make the suggestion. But what I don't want, I don't like to be patronized. If you don't want me as a minister, say so. Don't put me in other places because it's not your job and duty to do so." But Bheki Cele has since withdrawn the claims that Julius Malema plotted his ousting with Bheki Cele. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get more news on this channel. 105 channel loves you. Bye, good people.